When you apply the brake pedal, a variety of parts in your car's braking system come together to work as a unit to stop the car. The system as a whole is vulnerable if even one component fails. There is no better example of this than when you have a malfunctioning vacuum brake booster. And this is a topic of today's video. We go over the main signs of a malfunctioning brake booster and, in addition, we assess its replacement cost. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Stiff brake pedal. It should not require much effort on your part to try to brake your car. This is accurate until the vacuum brake booster malfunctions. In the event that this crucial part fails, your braking assist will be lost. You will need to apply significant force to the brake pedal in order to bring the car to a stop. Hissing noise. Brake noises can range from squealing to grinding, and none of them are desirable. There will be a noticeable hissing sound from a failing vacuum brake booster. This noise means there is an air leaks out of the diaphragm or housing of the vacuum-operated brake booster. When the brakes are applied, the hissing sound caused by this air rush becomes more audible. Dashboard warning lights. Many sensors are installed in modern cars to notify you when an issue arises. This also applies to the anti-lock braking system. An ABS warning on your dashboard may indicate that there is a problem with the vacuum brake booster. You may experience problems with the traction and stability control system, which have their own warning lights, in addition to impairments to your braking capability. Increased stopping distance. Most drivers are quite adept at estimating how long it will take to stop their car. If it seems like this time is going on forever, there could be a problem. The car requires much more force to stop when the braking assist is not working. Depending on how quickly the part fails, this increased stopping distance may occur suddenly or more gradually over time. Replacement cost. The typical cost to replace a vacuum brake booster ranges from $300 to $700 depending on the type of vehicle and labor cost. Parts usually cost more than $150 and labor will cost between $100 and $200. That being said, a number of factors influence the final cost, such as the type of car you drive, the ease of access to the brake booster, and the need for replacement of other parts. The majority of vacuum brake boosters rarely break down and can last up to 150,000 miles. On the other hand, cars that run in arid climates may experience a higher incidence of dry rot, which can cause the vacuum brake booster diaphragm to deteriorate too soon and fail. You should stop operating your car if the vacuum brake booster fails. Actually, if there's even the slightest indication that there's a problem with your braking system, you should never drive. When applying the brakes becomes more difficult and you find it difficult to stop your car, it's time to have the system looked at by a professional mechanic. Hope the information was helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.